Do you want to master paper cup Dieline design? Hi, I'm Rani, and on this channel I share the best design tips to help you elevate your projects fast. In this video you will learn the full paper cup Dieline design workflow, starting from the data you will receive from the client or what you should ask for, how to calculate some necessary dimensions from that data to start drawing your die line, how to add details for your main die line structure, how to calculate and use angles to distribute additional elements for your die line in precise way. For this tutorial I will use Adobe Illustrator and CorelDRAW, but you are free to use any software with tools similar to these two applications because you will learn the workflow, not the software. If you're excited to level up your design skills, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. We will assume that you get a call from a customer asking you to design a paper cup die line. He give you the bottom diameter, top diameter, and the full height from ground up. Be aware that there will be an empty space between cup bottom and ground. In this example it's equal to 6 mm, and there is a part folded inside also equal to 6 mm. Now as you can see we need to calculate the height between bottom and top. This will equal to the full height minus the 6 mm. In this video I will use Esko Studio to draw the die line because it will be faster than the use of manual way, but if you want to learn how to draw the die line manually you can go back and watch my video 02 paper cups die line design in Illustrator. Let we start with writing our main data. Bottom 55 mm, top 83 mm, and height 120 minus 6 mm. Now in Esko, we need to use the radius, so for that divide the diameters over 2. Draw a horizontal line. Change stroke color to black. The line should be 55 divided by 2. Go to Properties, set reference point to center left. Before that let we change the units. Press Ctrl+R to show roller. Right-click. Choose millimeter. Now type 55 divided by 2. Press Enter. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Change width to 83 divided by 2. Press Enter. Draw vertical line. Change height to 120 minus 6 mm. Press Enter. Align top and bottom lines with the vertical one. Align vertical line to the right of bottom line. Now with Direct Selection tool, hold top node and snap to the right node of the top line. Delete top line. Select both lines. Right-click and join. Go to Window, Esko Studio, Revolve and add label. Now change axis. Click Next. Select All Around label. Overlap equals 0. Base equals 0. Height 120 minus 6 equal 114 millimeters. Save as and save file. Place in current document. OK. Now as we can see, the main structure Dieline has been created. Move everything out of artboard. Select artboard tool and change size. Go to File, Save As, change type to Acrobat PDF and save. Now I will use CorelDRAW to show you how to prepare the main structure to add more details. When we open the PDF file, our Dieline is locked. To unlock, go to Window, Docker, Object, then Unlock. Now let we see what details need to be added to the main structure. We need to add this part here, which is the 6mm at the bottom, and another 6mm for the folded part here. And we need also to add 6mm to the right for the glue flap here. As we know, our Dieline is a part of circle, so the first step is to determine the center of that circle. With 2-point line, draw a line over the left edge. Extend down from the corner. Do the same for the right edge. Now the intersection point of the two lines is our center point. Select Ellipse tool. Hold Ctrl+Shift and draw a circle starting from the center point. Scale until the edge of the circle is as near as possible to the Dieline edge. Change all lines width to hairline. Zoom in. Change units to millimeter. Select the circle. Make sure lock ratio is on. Now we will start changing width or height manually until we fit the circle edge to our Dieline. Now after we finish, we need to add another circle for the top, as we know the space between them will be equal to the height of the cup, which is 114 mm. So select the circle, copy, paste. Now go to width and type +114, press enter. As we can see, the new circle crossed the middle of the Dieline, not the top edge. This is because when we add 114 mm, this will scale the circle from the center up and down, so we need to add another 114 mm. Now the circle edge fit our Dieline edge, and that's what we want. Zoom in to check. Now we need to add this part here, which is 6mm plus 6mm for the folded part. Make a copy for the circle. Go to width, type -112 mm, press enter. Now this is the 6mm part under the cup bottom. Make another copy, type another time -112 mm. Press enter. Now this is the 6mm folded part. Now we need to add the glue flap to the right here. As we can see here, the glue flap equals 6mm. Select 2-point line. Draw a horizontal line. Change width to 6mm. Zoom in. Change line width to hairline. Snap to edge. Click once more and move rotation anchor to snap to left node. Now rotate until snap to edge. Now hold Ctrl and rotate back until the line is perpendicular to the edge. Make another copy. With 2-point line tool, draw a line between the outer two nods. Scale from corners until cross all circles. Delete reference lines. Now, what if we want to divide our die line to equal parts? Or what if we need to draw some shapes at the top and need to distribute them equally? Now I will show you how to do that. First, let we draw a vertical line. We need to align with our circles, so Shift select one of the circles. Go to Window, Docker, Align and Distribute. Align horizontally and vertically. Change color. Change width to hairline. Now let we draw a shape at the top. Align with the center line. Now we will assume that we need to evenly distribute for shapes at the top. To do that, first we need to know the angle between left and right edges. Select Angular Dimension tool. Click once at the center point, snap to the right line and click once, snap to left line and click once. Drag to top and click. Zoom in, this is our angle. Open Calculator. Type the angle value. We have 4 shapes, so divide by 4. Now, as our shape is at the center, so we need to divide the value by 2. Copy the value. Make a copy for the center line. Go to Rotation and paste the value there. Press Enter. Make another copy. Type plus, then paste the value. Press Enter. Do the same again. And again until the last line touch the die line edge. Now we will do the same for the other side, but here we will rotate for the opposite side, so we will subtract the value. As we can see, we divide the die line into 4 parts, and each part divided with a center line. Now let me edit the shape to be between the 2 lines exactly. Now we want to make a copy to the left here, so select the center line and copy angle value. Select the shape, Shift and select the center line, make a copy. Now paste angle value, press Enter. Zoom in to check. Now we want to make another copy to opposite side, so select the shape and the line. Make a copy. Now type minus, then paste angle value, press Enter. Now I want to rotate all shapes. To start from die line left edge, select all shapes, shift and select center line. Now in rotation, type +5 point for 85, press enter. Now we will do the same for the last shape. Now we will finish our die line. First, always keep a copy of your work before start deleting and finishing, so if there is any edit need to be done, then you don't need to start over again. Select Virtual Segment Delete tool. Delete everything down. Delete reference lines. Delete all extra lines. Now we need to cut the top line because part of it will be crease line and the second part will be cut line. So we need to add a nod where the cut will be. The best and most accurate way is by draw a line on top of the edge. Extend it to cross our curve. Now select both lines, press back minus front, this will create accurate nod. Now right click, break curve apart. Select crease line and change color and type. Do the same for this line because it also will be fold line. This line too. Now this curve will be reference curve, so change to different color. Select all and change lines width. Now our die line is ready. Now let we check our dimensions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ideas, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're new here and you enjoy tutorials like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.